have another question that came through. How do you see generative AI impacting the client expectation now?
Well, it's a really great question when it comes to generative AI. Patty, I can't drywall. I can't do any plumbing. I can barely put together an IKEA set. Does that make me less of a man? Probably. But the only thing I do is knowledge work. And what I did is train an entire GPT with all my knowledge of my book, my research, everything that I've just said over the last decade. I've trained that. Do you think it's impacted the amount of clients that I'm getting, the amount of consulting gigs that I'm getting, the amount of speaking gigs that I'm getting? No. It's actually scaling my influence at the end of the day. To me, this generative AI tool is a great way of scaling yourself. AI is optimizing the past. I am the future. I am holding my client's hand and helping them with the future. The same thing when it comes to financial planners. You can use generative AI as the starting point. You can use it to reduce the anxiety and the uncertainty for your clients. You are helping your clients move into the future. And I believe at some point it's going to be malpractice to not use generative AI for scenario planning. Maybe some people are asking, is this gonna take my job? Absolutely not. This is going to be the greatest accelerant for financial planning. It's going to allow us to provide scale and provide our expertise at scale so that people actually come to us for our human insight. And Patty, the last thing I want to say though, Patty, the last thing I want to say about the AI piece is that I think we need to create a model of you so that we can just I just want like a Patty that I can just go to for like financial advice or just like fashion tips. Like just if you could.
Okay, that was one conversation so far. I can't even tell you how many great comments here. Shawn, thank you for joining us. Shawn Kanungo, you are amazing.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure.
There's so many things to think about. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
See you again. You're now my friend.